Tonight we're making a smoothie, but a much different smoothie than we've ever had before. These are all persimmons, and they're completely frozen in their skins. They're very, very ripe. What we're going to do is open up the bag, get a fairly large one like this one right here. We're just going to stick it in here. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! That. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take these bananas. These are bananas, a couple months old. Kind of got lost in the fridge. And we're going to also lay it there. Now this is the Ninja 1100 Professional Blender. These blades just cut through things like it doesn't even exist. It's amazing what this machine can do. Of course, you do need to get them in there. So we may have to, okay, I got that chunk down. This will probably just break apart as we go along. We're also going to add, this is fermented pea protein. It's something that I'm trying now from NutraSuma. Not inexpensive, it's about $60 for 2.6 pounds, and it is plant-based. It's got 20 grams if you have 2 scoops, 120 calories, so I'm going to have 60 calories added to this. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and it says it's vegetarian friendly. Alright, so we're going to take 1 scoopful, like that. Now we're also going to add to it some almond milk. We're going to add 1 cup of almond milk. There's the cup. And I'm pouring the almond milk inside. Alright, it's going to be another one of those days where I'm going to have 7/8 of a cup of almond milk. Alright. Now on this model you need to align, show you, this diamond over here. You can see that in the light. There it is. This diamond right over here with this diamond over here. See how the 2 diamonds are together? And if you do that, it will lock. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pulse this first, so I think it's going to take some time. First you turn on the power, and then you pulse it. So if you take a look at it on the inside, it looks like this. And what you have here is bits and pieces of frozen persimmon. So you need to be able to get to the bottom. So what we may have to do is add another cup of liquid to it. You don't have to go worry. This won't go bad. And you can always have some later. So we're going to add another cup of almond milk. If you didn't add almond milk, what you could do is add water. Then we're going to put it back into the pulse, line the triangles. Push back the camera, see if the triangles are lined up. Okay, so now take a look at this creamy texture. Take the spatula out, and you can see how creamy it is. See? Now we put it into a glass. Now, we know the calorie content of the pea protein was 60 calories. 2 cups of, so 1 cup is 35 calories, so that's 70 calories. Kind of gives you, it's a very light meal, but I think it's going to be very delicious. Then we have one fairly large persimmon. In a tall glass. You have to turn sideways to get this out. Now you're going to have some little debris here. So that's when you take your spatula and you just take it and you just whisk the smoothie, the juices off the blades. It's not really that much to really worry about. Okay. Now this is going to be a little thick. You can see how this would work over many different things. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. Well, it's a very nice flavor, nice mild flavor. You know it's got the protein for you for the evening. The fruit is not overpowering. Maybe 2 of these might have worked better, but I just love it, and that's what I'm going to have for my dinner. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and you see how easy it is to make a beverage, a vegan beverage, and I hope that you watch our next video. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Good night.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.